Guys, welcome back to Art by Ohana. I hope you're all doing well. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the materials that we're going to be using in today's video: a canvas, a printout, paint brushes, some threads, a needle, and this amazing spray paint that I found in the art store. It's really good. It literally makes your paintings glow. Here are the close-ups of the materials that we're going to be using in the video later. Okay, so the first step is to paint the canvas. You can choose any color that you like. I'm choosing yellow because yellow is vibrant and it gives off a happy energy. You can also choose black because black also looks really cool. You can paint it in any texture that you like. I'm doing it like this because I thought that the lines in it look really good. Okay, so here is how it's supposed to look like. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Okay, so the next step is you just put the printout on the canvas, and with the help of a needle you poke holes all over the print, and when you're done poking holes it will look like this. It gives you an outline of the print, which makes it easy to work on it. This is how it looks on the front, and I'll show you the back side too. And the next step is you just take a needle and a thread and start stitching. Just make sure that the stitches are not too big and they're not messy. Make sure that they're small and they're neat. And I'm fast forwarding it because it took a lot of time. Guys, just be patient with it because honestly it will be worth it. We're almost done. This is how it is supposed to look like. There's just one step to go, and that is to spray all over it. Okay, so we're spraying on it now. And this is the final look. I really like that shine and I really love how it turned out. I'm really satisfied with it, and if you guys also like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, and if you want more content like this, let me know in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.